Okay, French 1 classes. Now we're going to do our paragraph. We're going to do a very small one today. It's going to be about sports. So as you can see, we've got aujourd'hui nous avons. So aujourd'hui nous avons lu ou nous avons appris. Oui, très bien. Nous avons appris de nouveaux vocabulaire des sports. Le sport le plus populaire en France est le football américain. Non, non, ce n'est pas le football américain, c'est le football. Le sport le plus populaire au Québec est le golf. Non, ce n'est pas le golf, c'est le hockey. Et finalement, aux États-Unis, le sport traditionnellement le plus populaire est le volley. Non, ce n'est pas le volley, c'est le baseball ou le football américain. Okay. Et ce sont les choses qu'on a appris aujourd'hui. Okay, so repeat after me as I read it. Aujourd'hui, nous avons appris de nouveaux vocabulaires des sports. Le sport le plus populaire en France est le football. Le sport le plus populaire au Québec est le hockey. Aux États-Unis, le sport traditionnellement le plus populaire est le baseball ou le football américain. Ce sont les choses qu'on a appris aujourd'hui. Okay, now as I go through this again, let's translate it together. Les sports means the sports. Very good. Aujourd'hui, today, we have learned of new vocabulary of the sports. Notice that we said that a little bit different in English. In English, we would say we learned new sports vocabulary. The sport, the most popular in France, is the football. Notice again that we say that differently than we'd say it in English. In English, we'd say the most popular sport. In French, it's the sport, the most popular. And then here in English, we wouldn't have that the. The sport, the most popular in Quebec, is hockey. In the United States, the sport, traditionally, the most popular is baseball or the football American. Remember again, in America, we wouldn't say football American, we just say football. These are the things that one has learned today. Or, in conversational French, we have learned today. Very good.